She's making these keys right here.
Yes.
So a key maker by hand. You file by hand.
Yes. Copy key.
So you want to get shark fins to eat? Definitely Chinatown is like something out of a movie. So what's the market we're headed towards? Sam what? Santo Market?
Sampeng Market.
Oh, Sampeng Market. Okay, Sampeng Market. All right. Exploring Chinatown, and it's pretty amazing. It's like chaotic. It's totally chaotic. Lots of stuff going on. Just so much food and people and just things to see. If you like people watching, this is definitely a place for you. If you don't mind the chaoticness of it, which I really actually enjoy myself, you'll fit right in. Oh, fish market, fresh fish. Right. So into this large market area right here in the heart of Bangkok, and it's gonna start raining on us right now. So with all the cover above us, we might be safe for a little bit. So this is a normal thing here. It's pretty cool. Oh, let's take a look at this. So yeah, stickers, patches. We're just trying to get out of the rain for a minute. Because if you can see it, it's starting to come down. Oh, there you go.
Hello Kitty.
Yeah, we don't have an umbrella for this. I do have a lightweight jacket. I think we should just do it. Ready, kitty? Bah? All right, we're just gonna do it. All right, Bangkok rain. Gotta be ready for it. If you guys are enjoying this content, this video, be sure to hit the like, subscribe, check out more stuff. So we got a 4-way spot. All right. So we're going this way, yes? All right. We're just hanging out at the market. Yeah, it feels like it's something out of a movie. But it's real life, so tell you these movie people have it right. You're in Thailand. Man, it is pouring. All right. This is great. I love it. And if this is the kind of stuff that irritates you, this might not be the place for you. Look, there's even an escalator to go up.
Wow.
So yeah, this path is as narrow as you see it on film or on the video. And of course, Kitty finds more Hello Kitty.
Oh, shop Hello Kitty. I love.
Yeah, it's starting to come down. All right, another time to make a decision. I think we're gonna go straight and we're gonna get shelter here.
Oh my god.
Yes? All right, guys, take a look at that rain. It's starting to come down. So we're gonna go and see if we can find another piece of shelter right here. But it is coming down. All right, we're making our way. And this is just normal life here, people. Normal life here in Thailand.
About 5 minutes.
If you don't love this, you're not gonna love Thailand. All right, guys, so yeah, it got a little serious. Got a little wet. Wearing one of these guys for 40 baht. Just a little plastic cover with a racket. But yeah, there we go. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about right here. Just walking in the market. Shorts and tennis shoes, people. Again, if you don't like rain, you don't like Bangkok. All right, we're doing this. There she comes. This is just the way it goes here in Bangkok. Yeah, my shoes are going to be completely flooded. Wow. 2 or 3 inches of water. But yeah, here we go. We're gonna hang out right here a little bit longer. Yeah, the complete Chinatown experience right here. Food, hot weather, and of course, awesome freaking rain. Check that out. I don't know where she went. Oh, there she is. Do we go that way? Which way we go? Over there? All right, let's go. Let's do it. So we're gonna cross the street. Hopefully people will stop for us. Right. Food and people everywhere. So if you guys ever dream about coming and you can't or you just won't do it, I'm more than happy to entertain you guys. Check out my channel, like, subscribe, be sure to hit the bell so you get notified. 3 days in Bangkok, spend a day here. So life as an expat. Walking in my shoes, Thailand. And trust me, you guys don't want to be walking in my shoes right now. They are soaked. Completely drenched. Grab some of the culture, some of the life. Again, You want to come here, you want to live here, you want to visit here, I say come to Chinatown, check it out. This is quite the experience. Alright, so they got regular stores in here too. Regular shops, stores, food, people. Street food, or should I say path food, because this is as narrow as you guys see it. It's enough for like one person, two people. So this is just one of many roads and paths like this. Yes, I saw that, kitty. No, I don't think we go down that way. We're gonna get soaked again. You know, and people are used to this. I'm definitely not used to it yet. I'm braving it, but it's awesome. I love it. You liking it?
Yes.
Awesome. Yeah, Kitty loves it, but she's 22 years living here, yes?
Yes.
Yeah, she lived for 22 years. You ever been here?
One time.
One other time? 22 years living here. You've only one time. And again, this is one of the top must-dos, must-sees if you come to Bangkok. But definitely an epic experience here, guys. Epic. Come to Thailand. Where are you? Come to Thailand here. On my YouTube, walking in my shoes. So, the cross at your own risk. There we go. Hey, we only got honked at once. Hippie cop. Bye. All right. Back on our journey. Made it across the street alive. A jewelry store right here. Couple of them. All right. Strawberry smoothies. More street food. Dessert? Okay. All right, looks like we're at the center. We're at the end, Kitty, it looks like. All right, let's take a peek. All right, here we go. So, we got the waterway right here. But there you go, guys. Bangkok. Don't miss it. You only had 3 days in Bangkok. You gotta do this. At least once. Do it. No regrets. Live your best life. Anyways, guys, next video. Make sure you stay tuned. Check out the next content. It's gonna be designed just for you guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Peace.